So I'm just submitting tonight. I'm going to submit the full paper and it'll be published here soon. So that'll be really,
Congrats.
yeah. So you'll see Mac and Gabe's name in there for managed to actually get the name in this time because I was given some extra space. So it was awesome. Um, because they helped me with software.
Hmm.
But then the next one, I can't show it right now because I know that like,
Yeah.
but
NPND.
yeah, well, it's just that the one part I'm not sure if I can share yet. So it's like all IP,
Mhm.
um, but I can actually see like where our microwave antennas are in contact with the breast and the system. And so I have contours where with the Mac and Gabe, thanks to them, I have contours that show where it's actually touching um the microwave sensor.